Hi, let's solve a puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the river, there are 4 soldiers. The puzzle is to shift all 4 of them from one side of the river to the other side. But there are some rules to follow. First of all, let's read the instructions. 4 soldiers need to cross the river. 1 is arrogant, wearing the red plume. 1 is lazy, wearing the black plume. And 2 are brave. So, this one is arrogant. This one is lazy. And these 2 soldiers are brave. Okay. Now, these are the rules. Rule number 1 says that the raft can hold a maximum of 2 soldiers. Rule number 2 says that the lazy soldier refuses to be alone either on the raft or on the riverbank. Rule number 3 says that the arrogant one refuses to be accompanied on the raft. Okay. So let's see how to solve this puzzle. Before you see the solution, pause the video and try it on your own using pen and paper. And then come back and see if your answer is correct or not. Let's start. First, 2 blue soldiers will go to the other side. Now, 1 blue soldier will come back. Now, a blue and a black soldier will go to the other side. Since the rule states that a black soldier cannot be alone on the raft, we must send a blue soldier along with him. 1 blue soldier will come back. Now, the red soldier will go alone. Since the rule states that the red soldier cannot be accompanied by anyone else, he has to go alone. The blue soldier will come back. Now, the black and the red soldiers are on the other side of the river. We simply have to move these 2 brave blue soldiers to the other side. And bingo, we have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.